Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Tuesday morning. It's Stephen Whiteside here from the uptrend.com. In the pre-market this morning, things are pretty quiet out there. Stock index futures are mixed. We don't have any major economic numbers coming out in the pre-market. We do have the Fed chairman speaking at 12:35 today, so he could certainly help change the mood and direction of the market. Well, gold hit a new all-time high yesterday. It is up again in the pre-market this morning. Silver was also higher yesterday. Gold stocks on both sides of the border were higher. Silver stocks were higher. And that certainly helped the Canadian market move up on Monday. What didn't work? Well, Bitcoin and Ethereum are both back on sell signals as of Monday's close. Now, looking at the VIX moved higher yesterday, still trading under the flypaper channel, no change there, and no change with the VIX ETF. So you can see that the pros and the public are getting a little closer every day, but still no indication that they're going to flip over on Tuesday morning. Now, moving on to the major index ETFs and the stocks that led them higher or held them back. Starting off with the Dow, there's a new all-time closing high for the Dow, being led higher by those big cap technology stocks, including Apple. That was the big winner, followed by Nvidia. Nvidia got most of the media yesterday, trading back up to the previous high, followed by IBM. Those were the three big winners on the Dow. What didn't work? Procter & Gamble on a sell signal. 3M now back on a sell signal as of Monday's close, and then Amazon also back on a sell signal as of Monday's close. Looking at S&P 500 making a new all-time high, being led higher by Teradyne. Then we've got Oracle moving up, and then we've got Applied Materials trading back up to the highs from early July. Then looking at what didn't work, well, it was Kenvue was the big loser on the day, and it made a new closing low for this particular move. Then we've got Match back on a sell signal, and then we've got Dr. Pepper making a new low for this move on Monday. Looking at the NASDAQ 100, again, seeing a new all-time closing high. A big winner there yesterday was Constellation Energy, Lam Research, and Synopsys. What didn't work? Well, Intel pulled back, and so it's down 2 days in a row here. So 31.25, nice place to take some profits. MicroStrategy pulled back yesterday. It closed below $327.32 on Tuesday, would give us a sell signal. And there's Pacecar back on a sell signal as of Monday's close. Let's finish off this morning's presentation, taking a look at the Canadian market, starting off with the iShares for the TSX 60, making a new closing high on Monday. The big winner was Barrick, followed by Kinross, and then Brookfield Asset Management. What didn't work yesterday? Well, Constellation Software made a new low for this move. It is already on a sell signal. No change in trend for Loblaws. And then we've got Power doing a flip-flop. We generated a buy signal at the close on Friday and then turned around and generated a sell signal on Monday. Looking at the Vanguard Canada ETF, there we are making a new all-time closing high. The big winner was Endeavour Silver, followed by First Majestic Silver. And then we've got Finning up over 10% on the day. Quite a nice move for that stock. And then last up, what didn't work? Well, goeasy was the big loser, already on a sell signal. We've got Ritchie Brothers rolling over on a sell signal on Monday. And then we've got Premium Brands already on a sell signal, so no change in trend there. Okay, folks, that's all for Tuesday morning. So far, it looks like it's going to be a fairly quiet open on Tuesday morning, but we do have the price of gold making a new all-time high. Have a great day. Next time you'll hear my voice is on Wednesday morning.
Thanks for tuning in until the very end of today's stock market timing educational video. If you found the content valuable, don't forget to express your support by hitting the like button, leave a comment, sharing with your friends, and subscribing to our channel for more insightful updates. Remember, in the world of stocks, timing is crucial, and following the trend can be your greatest ally. If you would like more information on how we can help you better time the stock market, please visit theuptrend.com.